Making butterfly PT cloud bread. You're gonna need 10 grams of cornstarch, 30 grams of white sugar, 3 large eggs, but we're only gonna use the egg white, and 2 petals of the butterfly PT with 1 tablespoon of hot water for natural food coloring, and a pinch of salt. Let's get started. Make sure you like and subscribe to see more fun videos. 2 petals of butterfly PT and 1 tablespoon of hot water. Help it by crushing the flour with the hot water. And then we're gonna let it sit aside to change its dark color. I wanted a darker color, so I popped this in the microwave for an additional 20 seconds. Make sure that this goes back into room temperature when we add it to our egg mixture. Okay, let's crack the egg. Make sure you do not get any egg yolk, and make sure all of your utensil is dry and there's no oil, because we need to stiff this egg white. Here's the sugar, and we're only gonna add half of the sugar in here. Then with a hand mixer, we're gonna go ahead and mix it to get it a little frothy, and then we'll add the other half. See how it's a little frothy already? Now I'm gonna go ahead and add the other half. Adding the rest of the sugar. Go ahead and half of the cornstarch, half of the butterfly PT for coloring. Now let's mix. Now I'm gonna go ahead and add the rest of the cornstarch and more of the food coloring. We're gonna go ahead and continue mixing until we form soft, stiff peaks. So go ahead and heat up your oven at 300 degrees. It is now ready. Make sure you're gentle with it. I'm just gonna go ahead and put it right onto the parchment paper, and then we will shape it, okay, as we go. Okay, so I'm just gonna gently make it into a little ball. Okay. Look at how nice and airy it is. It's time for the oven. Let's go. At 30 minutes, right out of the oven, nice and brown. We're gonna let it cool down for at least 20 minutes, and then we'll slice it and see what it looks like inside. I couldn't help myself. I made a pink batch. Here's the pink one. Look how nice and airy and fluffy it is. I'm gonna let it cool down. When you're peeling the cloud cake off of the wax paper, be gentle. It's very soft and fluffy. Look how pretty. Here's my butterfly PT cloud bread. Let's open it up. Oh wow. It's like cotton candy. It's fluffy, sticky. It's the pink one turn. Let's see. Wow. It's so pretty, and it's so fluffy. It smells like a sponge cake. It's so eggy and airy. I can't wait to try this. Look, all done, so now I have to try it. Okay, it's sticky like cotton candy. It's very light. To me, it's like sponge cake. I love the color. It's so pretty. Look. Very spongy, light, airy, sweet. It's good. Like marshmallow. Pink turn. Very light and airy. You guys should try it. It really has no taste. It's just light, spongy, airy, sweet, and the color is really pretty. And like marshmallow too as well. Try it.